Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I will show you the automatic way of removing color cast from any photo in Photoshop. First, go to Add a new adjustment layer and select Curves. Then select the button top right corner. Then select the Auto option from the list. This will open an auto color correction window. You have to try all options from those algorithms and decide what is best for your photo. In my case, Enhance per channel contrast option is best. Also, select the Snap Neutral Midtones checkbox. Great, but still you can see that the body color is a little warm, so to reduce that, select that gray point eyedropper tool and select a grayish area from the body part. That's it. If you learned something new from this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Adios.